Yo, what's happening? Back, man. Back up in here with another one of them things, man. Yes, sir. And I got some good news for y'all. I got something y'all been waiting for. Y'all been waiting for me to make this announcement. I know y'all have. I'm gonna show you this. Look at this. Look. Now, before we get into what that is and what that's about, I just want to say I thank y'all. Thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for being subscribed to the channel. Thank y'all for taking y'all time out of y'all busy day to watch me, to see what I got going on in my shenanigans. Thank y'all for everything, all the support. So, y'all already know, man. We're trying to, I done left y'all in the dark. We're trying to get everything going on about this MayRose business, right? Yes, sir. So, a lot of y'all, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all probably know what this video is about. You know what I'm saying? If you don't follow me on Instagram, this right here might be a surprise to you. It might make you happy. It might make you sad. I don't know what it's gonna make you. It might, I don't know. It might make you mad. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, man. So, MayRose is very dirty. MayRose is very, very, very dirty. And just so I seen this not too long ago. The kids been here playing on the car. I don't even know how the car finna look after this, cause I don't even know why they came out here and did that. But that ain't even what I want to talk to y'all about. So I put in an order, right? The order got here Tuesday. I put in the order Friday. Order got here Tuesday. Me and my wife been talking. She was like, man, go on do your fourth quarter.
Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming to her. I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there. Man, hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels, $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.
Alright, we're gonna do my fourth quarter. So I came out here. Yeah, I seen the video where I came out here and did my fog lights. Got my fog lights hooked to, you know what I'm saying? Got that stuff hooked to where it need to be. Everything cool. You know what I'm saying? Came out here messing with the wiring. Got some other stuff I gotta wire up. I gotta wire this fan relay. I gotta do that. Gotta do this. You know what I'm saying? So now, I was like, alright, I'm doing it early. I might as well go on. You know what I'm saying? Do my thing. So, with that being said, y'all, I ain't gonna drag y'all through this. With that being said, we go ahead and let y'all see what's going on, man. With no further ado, Man, we got that converter in. It's about to go up, man. I ain't going down. It's going up. It's going up, dog. We got the converter. I did a test fit last night. You know what I'm saying? It bolts up. Everything bolts up cool. So, man, y'all can be looking forward to this little y'all can be looking forward to this segment of the build, man. Finna put MayRose back together. I got a few more things I gotta do before I take it down to the shop, put the transmission back in. I gotta get my drive shaft cut right. What else? Like I said, I gotta wire up these I gotta wire up the fan relays. I might charge the AC. I might go ahead and charge the AC since, I mean, whatever. I gotta get another AC bracket for sure though. I gotta get another air conditioner bracket. But other than that, man, we on go. I'm finna try to go ahead, get this stuff together so I can go ahead, throw the transmission in, put my exhaust and stuff back on. We finna ride. I already talked to Jazz. Take him his money so he can go ahead and do me a rear deck. Try to get that together. And yeah. I gotta blow this car off, man, because this is terrible. This is terrible. I ain't looking at my car. My car's so man. I ain't, Hopefully my car ain't all scratched up. Like I said, I don't know who did this. It was one of them kids, man. One of them kids did it. But, yeah. I gotta, well, at least it blow right off. Blow right off, and then I'm gonna throw some water on it, man, because that's probably gonna scratch my paint so bad. But it's okay, because I'm gonna have to get this car painted. I want to get it painted over. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know how that's gonna go yet. But right now what we worried about is getting that style in there. And if I gotta get tuned again, whatever, try to get everything done so I can get in traffic, man, on this fourth quarter. We ain't doing too much though now. We ain't doing too much because I got another surprise coming for y'all. So we ain't doing too much with this right here. We just gonna go ahead, put the transmission in, put the converter in. We gonna, you know what I'm saying, we gonna keep everything like it is right now. You know what I'm saying? Except for the AC bracket and the fan relays right here. Everything else, I think is good to go. That's how we gonna do it. Yeah, we just finna get some fourth quarter in, man. We finna get some fourth quarter. We coming out the bench, get some fourth quarter in. Like I said, man, I appreciate all the support y'all been giving me thus far, man, because without y'all, I wouldn't even, for real, I really probably wouldn't even thought about this car, and it just would have been dead on it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, this right here is just the first part of the video. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to come in and let y'all know what was going on. Yeah, nah, I ain't gonna say come in and let y'all know what's going on, because by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be a whole lot been went on. So, yeah, this is probably gonna be just an insert of a video. I'm gonna come in and probably get the wiring on some stuff and do that blah 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 blah, and make it a full video, and then we'll be all good. But here in the next few weeks or so, I'm gonna try to go ahead, get the car down to the shop, put the transmission in, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So yeah, let me go ahead, get bigs on some other stuff, tap y'all back in a second.